Hey fam bam, it's me, just Londa. Have you subscribed? Have you joined the fam? Bam! Join the madness, join the fun. Again, it's me, just Londa. So I wanted to do a round two. I went and purchased the color Carmel Drizzle, okay? And we're still gonna test this out. So all I have on my face is a mattifying primer. I did my eyes and everything, just something simple. But I want to go ahead and try to retest this out or return it because I can't be wasting my money like that. So let's see here. Let's go in. I think this color is a bit more better. So far, looking in the monitor, I like what I see. I'm not gonna front. I like the coloring way more better. I still don't like the applicator that much. Not the applicator, but the fact that I have to keep dipping in. But this coloring is way more better. The other time I looked at blah and I felt blah. No matter how much I tried the bronze, it just was not hitting on nothing at all. I do have my contouring on my face as well. So that's that. I'm gonna go in with this Walgreens sponge again. I did wash it. I did use it again already. So it's a bit powdery and damp. But nevertheless, it should still work. I'm going to add a bit more, kind of really close to my under eye, because I don't have anything on underneath it other than eyeliner. Like I'm not smoking it out or anything. And I also feel like it's drying down fast and it doesn't spread. So, you know, it doesn't spread out. So. Okay, that's looking a bit more better than what and I feel like I don't look blah. Okay, so let me set this puppy right quick. Because then next thing you know, I have a hot mess on my hands. So I'm just gonna set underneath my eyes. Okay. So what's that? I'm going to put on my foundation, bronze up, and then we're going to go in with this Hourglass puppy. All right, we are already to a good start. Oh yeah, we are looking scrumptious. We're up to a good start. Okay, so I like it. I like my base. I like my contour. I like everything. Everything so far is looking mwah.
You look good, and if you look good, then I gotta look good.
All right, so I'm going to just going to go ahead and hit this part for right now. So we're just going to go in with this blusher. Ooh, okay. Maybe that's not my color. So what I will do is put something on top of it. I'm going to go into my trusty. Well, you know I'm always prepared for some foolishness. Only the foolishness I'm prepared for. And I'm just going to add this color on top of it and kind of mix those two together. And maybe I'll get like an iridescent look. So let's see if I can reopen. One thing I don't like about this is trying to open these canisters. That canister, that's better. Yeah, that's way better. On top of it. Yeah, I like that way better. Okay. So we got a little bit of flush going on the pinky side. This is a foundation brush. This is my, for my face. Let me see. I feel like, no, I can't get away with it. Because I've been seeing some folk use it for a bronzer. But I guess I'm not the one for it. So I'm just going to kind of buff my coloring in. I still feel okay, I got my thoughts. Because this is a neutral finishing powder, I don't like it. So let me grab something else to put on top of it. Now I like how smooth it is. I don't like the color. I'm gonna go in with my Oldie Goldie MAC powder. This is the wrong one. Hold on. Okay, so dark deep is what my color that I like to use. And I'm just gonna use that to kind of throw in a little bit more color. Yeah, I like that a little bit more better. That coloring is much better already. I feel good. Yeah. We're good. And highlighter. The trouble of opening this thing here. I'm gonna mix in this color and this color together for highlighter. Oh yeah. Mixing the two colors. Even though that was supposed to be a blush, I like that. I'm just gonna take this and just kind of sweep over because I want everything to look unified. That looks good. That looks really good. This is more of a natural face. So, on my conclusions, what do I think about this? So what is it? The concealer? It's okay. I had to get my right shade. I do like the way it is looking. And I will say, I had not seen any creasing. And I am a creasy beast. And I have not seen any creasing. I did set it not straight away, but pretty much straight away. So I think it's a yes. I think it's a yes. Yeah, I can safely say I think it's a yes. Now, the Hourglass. For the blurring purpose, it's good. However, because it is a neutral tone, I don't like it. I don't like looking so neutral where I feel blah, blah, blah. But this is really comparable to this. I said what I said. And you get more for your money. The highlighter that's in here, ouch, God, don't get, that hurts. It's not bad at all. The blush color, I feel like the blush color, it's too light for me, and that's 2 swatches. So I would have to use it with something else. That's the orangey color there. Which, if I'm in a creative space, that's cool. This is not going to be for every undertone person, okay? Not skin tone, every undertone person. Because someone that has that undertone like mine, it can make everything look really grayish on your face. Now, if you're lighter skinned than me, then this would be a go for you. I'm just going to be honest with you. This is my opinion. This is how I feel. This is what I think. I feel like if you're lighter skinned, this is a go for you. Fancy face complexion, I think that would be like a go for her. And I know she used that face powder as a bronzer, but like I said, with my undertones are like olivey neutral-ish with a hint of yellow, just a hint. Like if you see, it's just a hint of yellow, like it's not a lot of yellowing in there. So everything could look blah-ish on me, and I don't like that. I like to look a little bit of warm. Not too warm. I don't want to look orange. I want to look a little bit warm. So take it with a grain of salt. Play with it. If you feel like you want to buy it. You know, Sephora will let you return it. I think this one is a pass, honestly. And so far, on the second go around, I like this one. I wish the coloring range was the same. Why they didn't do it, I feel like they're just out trying to make money. So let me know what you think on the second round. Let me know what you think. Like, this could have been a pass. You know what I'm saying? This could have been a pass. But again, I bought this for the comparison of that. I'm gonna pop up a picture of what I'm talking about for that House Labs. But I think I got something better. Real comparison to it. So I'm going to try to go downtown to see if I can swatch it and bring my see, I'm slipping, and bring the comparison to it and see. Like, it's smooth, it's buttery, it looks, to what I can recollect, it looks similar. So on that note, Divas and Divos, thanks for watching, rating, subscribing, all that good jazz that made me feel so warm and fuzzy inside. Peace and peace. I have something in my hand. Bye.